Hey guys, back under a kitchen sink. I'm going to demonstrate how to take this drainage apart in the case you need to inspect or clean the trap, or in the case that you actually have to take the drainage apart to auger the line. First I'll show you how quick and easy it is to remove the drainage, then I'll show you in detail. Set the timer. Alright, let's break this down. This is the trap. It holds water to prevent sewer gases from coming back up the sink. To avoid a mess, lay down a towel and place a container or bucket under the trap to catch the water. There are 3 unions to loosen off in this setup to be able to disconnect the drainage. 2 trap adapters and 1 union P-trap. The union for the trap is still right-hand threaded, but since it is facing upwards or upside down, loosen it by turning it clockwise. If the unions are too tight to loosen off by hand, an adjustable set of pliers works well. A tip on using these pliers is not to squeeze the handles together, as this will pinch the plastic and make it difficult to spin. Instead, push or pull depending on the direction you're going on the handle or jaw that's adjustable. With the unions disconnected, the drain assembly can be removed with a few light taps. If you need to take the drain assembly out completely, the dishwasher drain hose clamp has to be loosened off and the hose simply disconnects. Everything goes back in the reverse order, and always make sure to run the water and check for leaks once complete. Alright guys, now for the inspiration of why I made this video. I recently made another video on how to connect a kitchen sink drain and received quite a few comments of why would you glue everything together if you can't inspect the P-trap or auger the drain line or take it apart easily. But as you just seen, it's extremely easy to take apart if you need to inspect, clean, or auger the drain. So these are a few of the comments that I've received. They get better with time over here. So the first question here is, I always use P-traps with washers and nuts with thread because it's easy to disconnect the drain. And that's a valid comment. With ABS here, we don't have a double union P-trap. So we don't have the option to take the trap completely out if we do ABS. If you go ABS to copper, there are double union P-traps for that. But as you've seen in the video, it's extremely easy to take apart, and I don't use a double union P-trap. I just use a single union. Work and presentation is awesome. Why use ABS with glue? Can we use PVC with just threads so easy to open if leaks or need to open and clean? First and foremost, thanks for subscribing. That's awesome. It's all down to time and money. If we were to custom cut, thread, and connect each piece of PVC or ABS, it would take a lot more time. I agree, the P-trap itself should be serviceable and not glued, otherwise great work. As you've seen, it is serviceable, so it's just, this comes down to me not relaying the information properly. So I don't mind that comment at all. It gets a little more interesting here. So, terrible way to plumb. You don't glue everything together, you can't even clean the trap without taking everything apart. I don't think we need to talk about that comment. And I think we have a winner here with the comments. Where do you get these fucking PVC parts from? It's such an anti-human design. How do you open the trap to clean if you need some time? Break it? Yes, we break it. Well guys, hopefully this video cleared up some confusion and was also informative. And like always, if this video helped you out, liking, commenting, subscribing is always greatly appreciated. Till next time.